Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we are back in the kitchen doing more decluttering and organization. I've been trying my best to purposely organize my kitchen, my small kitchen. You guys know I'm always complaining. Let's just call it tiny. My tiny kitchen. I'm always complaining about the amount of space I have in this kitchen, but let me stop complaining and just try to make better use of the space until God blesses me with more. Yeah. So that is what I'm practicing. That is one of my goals this year, to not complain, but to use what I have purposely and appreciate it until I receive more. So that's a word in itself, okay? So I'm just going to take everything out of this shrunk. Not shrunk. Shrunk is German. I'm going to take everything out of this cupboard. Y'all, I be forgetting my English. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm taking everything out of this cupboard and I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. As you guys can see, in the back of the cupboard is no backing. It's just the wall. It's because this cupboard is actually for a fridge. So I don't know if you guys know how kitchens are made or set up here in Germany, but they have the fridges are inside the cupboard, like hidden away. And this cupboard is made for a small fridge. When we bought our kitchen, you have to buy a kitchen as well. Yeah. When we bought our new kitchen, this space was there and the plans was to use it as more storage and just add some shelving to it. That never happened, as you guys saw. Everything was just thrown inside it. So because we never did the shelving, I went ahead and got something else to help organize this space a little more, as well as move and shift some things around. So I wanted to make this side of the kitchen more for like our pots and pans, and then go ahead and change other places out and make them specifically for certain things. So I'm trying to utilize each space as best as I can without without piling up my storage. I can't, lack of a better word, I cannot find a better word, without having too much clutter in my space. That's what I wanted to say. So I went ahead and bought this piece off of Amazon. If you guys are interested in it, I will have it linked down below. Please note that it will be an affiliate link. So if you guys do not want to support me through an affiliate link, you can just go ahead and search it yourself in Amazon. So just letting you guys know that. So I just bought this and I wish I bought two because I really needed more storage, but that's not here nor there. I went ahead and set it up, which was very, very easy. It was, all you had to do was squeeze it a little for the metal to be able to fit into each little clip, and that was it. Very easy to put together, and it was somewhat sturdy, but not as sturdy as I would like it to have been, because a lot of my pots are heavy, really, really heavy, and then also the space that I placed it in wasn't big enough for like my really big pots, like my wok and whatnot. But it was definitely worth what I spent on it. So I'm right here just trying to figure out how much of the shelves on this contraption that I really need, as well as how I'm going to be placing each pot and pan. And I went through this. Y'all, this video made it look short. Okay, I was there for about an hour deciding if I want two pots in, one pot by itself, this, that, and the next. I was like, no, you cannot. You cannot have all of this on the internet. You got to cut this short. So I was trying my best to not make it look as long as it actually was. Y'all, I stood there for the longest trying to figure out how to set this up, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of space left over at the top. So I am going to go ahead and cut down a piece of wood later on down and just add a shelf there, because I do have the wood for it. I just have to cut it because I don't have, or well, the saw that I have to cut it with is just not working. So I'm going to get that cut down later on down. So I'll update you guys when I do that. And I'm going to add another shelf, and I may just buy one more of these a little pot shelves to add to this closet as well, this cabinet as well. As you guys saw, the bigger, like wider pots, like my wide woks, my wide frying pans, my wide pots, like I could not fit them in that space for anything in the world. So I just decided to leave the more smaller pots and stuff up here that I reach for very often. I left those up there, and for my other pots that I rarely use, I went ahead and added them to the other shelf that's beneath it. But I'm also going to add another shelf above this. So keep that in consideration as well. I'm going to add another shelf above it and then go ahead and, of course, I'm going to rearrange again. Like, what woman doesn't? Like, we decorate and redecorate our homes probably every other week. I'm just being honest. So I finally settled on how I wanted the top to look and how I wanted the bottom to look. And I have to keep reminding myself that I cannot just decorate this space based off aesthetics. I have to decorate this space based off functionality. Because my kitchen is small, I need to make sure that what I'm doing actually makes sense and I'm utilizing each space as best as I can, so I wouldn't over clutter the space, but also have it functional enough or functionable enough to use it. So as you guys see, I'm just grabbing out, changing, and rearranging because that's what we women do. Okay? That's what we do. And I'm probably going to change it up again later on down. You know I'm going to change it up again later on down. But I finally figured it out. I am going to go ahead later and add a shelf above this. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below. Let's chit chat. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. And I will see y'all in my next video. So until then, cheers.